Hey guys, I'm Mike Magadia, and I guarantee to sell your home or I'll buy it. Welcome to my new listing at 33 Elm Drive in Mississauga. Enjoy the tour. Welcome to 33 Elm Drive, a stunning unit condo located in the heart of Mississauga, close to all amenities including shops, restaurants, parks, and more. The condo features one bedroom and a double sliding door closet, including a den and a complete 4-piece bath, offering a serene retreat at the end of the day. The den can easily accommodate guests, a home office, or hobby space. As you step inside, you'll immediately be impressed by the abundance of natural light streaming through the numerous windows. The open concept living provides a bright and airy space, perfect for both relaxing and entertaining. Additionally, this unit comes an underground parking spots, 3 lockers, and an outside visitor parking spots for guests. Great building amenities including pool, hot tub, exercise room, fantastic view, full-time concierge, and reasonable maintenance fee. Thank you for watching and enjoy the tour.